far from the bustling streets of London. In the county of Surrey lived a young mountaineer named Ethan. Ethan had a deep love for mountains, and his biggest dream was to conquer a perilous peak known as Mount Gilchrist. This peak was notorious for its unpredictable weather and treacherous, steep cliffs. One summer morning, Ethan began his ascent of Gilchrist. He was mentally and physically prepared, his backpack laden with essential gear. Halfway up, the weather suddenly took a turn for the worse. Dark clouds gathered in the sky, and lightning began to crackle. Ethan was still bracing himself when he heard a deep growl from above the rock face. A bear was lumbering towards him, likely agitated by his intrusion into its territory. Ethan didn't panic. He thought, "I need to reach this summit first. Everything else can wait." He focused his gaze on the peak and then, once more, on his next step. At that very moment, a powerful lightning bolt struck a nearby tree. A heavy branch broke off and fell with a crash, landing directly in the bear's path. The bear stopped abruptly, turned, and disappeared back into the forest. The lightning strike also intensified the rain, making the rocks slippery. Amidst the heavy downpour, Ethan heard a sharp whistle from below. It was another climber in distress, slipping from their rope. Ethan immediately shifted his focus and threw one end of his rope towards them. The other climber grabbed the rope, and Ethan safely pulled them up. After helping, Ethan refocused on his climb. After the rain, the weather cleared somewhat. Ethan continued his ascent. After many hours of strenuous effort, he finally reached the summit. As he looked around, he felt a strange sense of peace. He had learned that when we focus on our goal, even in difficult situations, unexpected help often rises, and problems resolve themselves. It was simply a matter of mental serenity, perseverance in his objective, and making the right decisions. This experience made him realize how crucial courage, patience, and clear thinking are for success in any aspect of life.